Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable Translate Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to enable Translate Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To activate Translate, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the Mail menu. Now in the Mail menu there are many menus. Tap the Message Handling menu. In this menu, scroll down to find the Translate menu. Now here there are several options for using Translate. Before continuing, let me explain. Always Translate translates emails automatically without confirmation, while Ask Me Before Translate asks for approval before translating to give more control. And choose one according to what you want to choose. So that's it, the tutorial on how to enable Translate Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.